Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, please join the gang. And yeah, so guys, no, we're starting this vlog on a very weird situation. So here's the thing, time is 3:54 and I'm on my way to the airport. So I got up around 2. I can't get up and open a vlog, that's why. So anyways, welcome to my vlog. We are going to Durban for a masterclass. So I thought, let me just take you through to my second last masterclass in Durban, so you can just see what we get up to. So anyways, forgive me for not opening this. As you can see, it's still early in the morning. So anyways, I hope you enjoy this and then I'll take you through. Let us go. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mr. Q. Taking out money right now because I need to have like cash in my life, and it's so empty. So bapi abantu nipi the cash. Here's a cloud, like I need to wrap my luggage and I do not have money, and those people don't take cards, so I had to take out money. I don't usually take out money because of obvious reasons. I always chow money, so I always make sure that I do not have cash. Okay, it comes money. Yeah, I quite follow my angel. And you know, I'm desk. Okay, it's so empty here. Let me turn my camera around. Let me show you what time is it. Some other time. It's time for party. That's what happens when you work overtime, ne? Look at me. I try to look cute and go 3 a.m. 3 a.m. Kisan. Trying to look like a doll. I have a class at 8. As you can see by the title of today's video, I'm doing a vlog. I'm going to my class, my second last class in Durban for this year, and I'm catching an early flight, so that's why you're seeing me this time. So I'll catch up with you all. I'm in the airport, and yeah, I call band to drop. But you know, vlogging during people's wrapped, like wrapped. So let's go check in this bag. Check in priority. And didn't go priority. I'm not 100 rand. I honestly don't have like 100 rand for that. And I'm not queuing in. So basically, I'm priority. If you know what I mean. Guys, I'm trying to connect my AirPods to phone in as if we ndishiya phakathi njani. Guys, as if really man. I want to sit down and fix this. Put a bunch of corn for a dinner. I feel like everyone's just staring at me. It's God, please, Vela. Okay, maybe I should switch off my phone. Off to the gates because the Cleveland didn't. So I'm just gonna go look for water because I'm dejecting. Hey guys, go empty. Let me show you. It's empty. Empty. At this point, but shame back on about, so I'm safe. It's in the table, guys. Not gonna do. So anyways, this is gonna be a long vlog. I'll see you in Durban. Bye. So I got in Durban in time. We started at class in time, and everything was just fun. I was so exhausted. I slept throughout the flight, guys. So embarrassing. Just I'm tired. I was so tired. A little bit background of this. I have a company called Masterclass. It's a crafting company. I do branding, anything that wants branding. I'm a girl, so that's what I do. So basically I started crafting classes so that I can teach the next person what I'm doing so they can make extra money for themselves. So basically, yeah. So if you're also interested in crafting, hit me up. Let's make money. Kokwanto intle apha, kokwanto intle. I just finished with my class. I am exhausted as fuck. I'm ready to go home. Less work, son. Yeah, pagami less work. You and the dinner, guys. Like, yeah, ne? I just wanna go home. My eyes. I didn't try something. Yo, guys. Imagine Ogo theater from 8 until 5. So I become so exhausted after class. So sometimes I feel like my soul leaving my body. That's how tired I get sometimes. I got home around 10, and in the morning I had a date with my daughter. I was so tired on that date with my baby, but I had to go because there's a new season got Kokomelo and Epumelo that we need to discuss. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.